The power supply can easily supply electrical appliances with different working voltages, such as driving small motors and charging batteries. We need the following things. A laptop power adapter. We also can recycle the old laptop's power adapter, so we don't have to buy a transformer. A voltage ammeter, which can display the output voltage and current at the same time. And DC to DC adjustable step-down power supply board. 2 banana jack sockets. A female power jack socket. A resistance potentiometer. A transparent plastic box. We can recycle one from plastic packaging boxes, so you don't have to buy it. This is the wiring diagram of each part. Everything will be packed into this plastic box, just like this. Let's get started. We need to drill holes to install each connector. First, drill the holes with electric soldering iron, and then use a knife to trim them. This is the look like after drilling a hole. These 2 holes are used to install 2 banana jack sockets. These 2 connectors are the power output. A resistor potentiometer is installed in the side hole. This potentiometer is used to adjust the output voltage. Install the power jack socket on the hole on the other side, and fix it with hot melt adhesive. Fix the power board into the box with this plastic post, but it looks a bit too high here, so it must be divided into 2 and fixed to the power board with 2 screws. Use hot melt adhesive to glue the 2 plastic posts to the box, like this. Remove the power supply board temporarily. Then remove the original resistance potentiometer on the power board with an electric soldering iron. And then solder the lead wires. Install the power supply board back and solder the lead wires to the potentiometer next to it. Solder 2 wires from the power input socket to the power board input terminal. The positive output terminal of the power board is connected to the red banana jack sockets, and the wiring is fixed with the screw on it. The black banana jack sockets is connected to the current input pin of the voltage and ammeter. The current output terminal pin of the meter is connected to the negative output terminal of the power board. Plug in the cable of the voltage and ammeter. The white line is the voltage measurement line. Connect it to the red banana jack sockets. The red wire is the power supply wire of the meter. Connect it to the positive input of the power board. After these wires are connected, plug in the laptop power adapter. At this time, the voltage and ammeter is lit. Turn the knob and the output voltage will change accordingly. Finally, close the lid of the plastic box. Use a digital multimeter to measure the actual output voltage. The displayed voltage is basically the same as the voltage measured on the multimeter. It can be seen that the displayed voltage is more accurate. Connect to small motor. After rotating the voltage adjustment knob, the speed of the motor changes accordingly. The digital multimeter switches to current mode to measure the actual output current. The displayed current is basically the same as the current measured on the multimeter. In order to dissipate heat better, the chip need to be attached with aluminum heat sink. Finally, attach the four corners with transparent tape to fix the upper case of the box. This is finally done. Thanks for watching. Welcome to subscribe to my channel for more videos.